last 3-ingredient cocktail is a daiquiri. You're gonna notice it's pretty similar to the bee's knees in how it's made. It's 3 ingredients. We're gonna use rum this time instead of gin. So if you are a rum person, this is gonna be for you. We're gonna use lime instead of lemon. And we're gonna use simple syrup instead of the honey syrup. My wife and I fight over the ratio on this drink, but to keep it simple and because she would say this is the right way, we're gonna stick with the same ratio as the last drink. So that's gonna be 1 part simple, 1 part lime juice, and 2 parts rum. Take my shaker, and again, start with the lime. All right, so there's our lime juice. And we're gonna take an ounce of simple syrup, which you can buy, but I find it's just really easy to make at home, so I prefer that. I like to do 2 to 1, so if you're gonna make this, 2 parts sugar, 1 part water. Bring it to heat in a saucepan until it's all dissolved and clear. Or, if like me, you like yours a little boozier, you can lay off a little bit of that. Vitae is also a local distillery. I've been to their place in Charlottesville, really like their rums, and so that's what we're gonna use here. Same thing as before, we're just gonna fill this small side with ice. Take your glass. Again, that's your 3-ingredient cocktail, but because we like to be fancy, there's the daiquiri. And yeah, it's really good. It's super refreshing. The lime's all there. And then the Vitae rum does something really interesting. It's definitely gonna add a different dimension than just Bacardi or something random. It's a little funky, little tiki drink-like, but really good. So, nothing wrong with using whatever you can get, but I like that this adds something different. And I also like all 3 of these being local places. Get out there, find something that you like near you, try some of these drinks with local spirits. Maybe leave us a comment and let us know what you like in your area.